and welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. Today, we're going to explore the Aroon indicator, a powerful tool for identifying trend changes and predicting future price movements. Go to Indicator and select the indicator Aroon indicator we use period in this video 32. Now go to the main section. The Aroon indicator is a valuable tool for traders looking to identify trend changes and predict future price movements. Remember to always combine the Aroon indicator with other forms of technical and fundamental analysis to maximize your trading success. This video is divided in 4 parts. Number 1. What is Aroon indicator? Number 2. How to use the indicator. Number 3. Formula for Aroon indicator. Number 4. Explain the indicator. Number 1. What is Aroon indicator? The Aroon indicator is a technical analysis tool developed by Tushar Chand in 1995. It helps traders identify the strength and direction of a trend and potential reversals. The name Aroon is derived from the Sanskrit word meaning dawn's early light, reflecting its purpose to spot the beginning of new trends. It's designed to measure the strength of a trend and identify potential reversals. The indicator consists of 2 lines, Aroon up and Aroon down. Number 2. How to use the indicator. Here's how to use the Aroon indicator. 1. Aroon up measures the strength of an uptrend. 2. Aroon down measures the strength of a downtrend. 3. Crossovers, when Aroon up crosses above Aroon down, it's a bullish signal. When Aroon down crosses above Aroon up, it's a bearish signal. Easy to use, simple crossovers provide straightforward signals. Trend identification, effective for identifying new trends and trend strength. Number 3. Formula for Aroon indicator. Aroon up formula. Aroon up equals minus period since highest high times 100 Aroon up sad face n minus period since highest high times 100, where n is the chosen period, commonly 25. Periods since highest high is the number of periods since the highest price within n. Periods. Aroon down formula. Aroon down equals minus period since lowest low times 100 Aroon down sad face n minus period since lowest low times 100, where period since lowest low is the number of periods since the lowest price within n periods. Number 4. Explain the Aroon indicator. Aroon indicator is a type of technical momentum oscillator that allows traders to see whether an asset is trending, what direction the trend is in, and how strong the trend is. Aroon up measures how long it has been since prices have recorded a new high within the specified period. If the current bar's high is the highest within the user-defined number of periods before it, then the Aroon up value is 100. In other words, it is a new high for the period. Otherwise it returns a % value indicating the time since a new high occurred for the specified period. Aroon down measures how long it has been since prices have recorded a new low within the specified period. If the current bar's low is the lowest within the user-defined number of periods before it, then the Aroon down value is 100. In other words, it is a new low for that period. Otherwise it returns a % value indicating the time since the new low occurred for the specified period. Check and see my trades and subscribe to my channel. your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.